Well, hello guys and welcome to Mr. Web Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to a Woocommerce platform. So basically how to accept payments from PayPal, Stripe, Klarna, Amazon, Authorize.net, etc. And by the end of this video you'll be able to accept payments from any of the major payment gateways available on the market. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and installed a demo website here, which is for an e-commerce website for clothing lines for ladies with beautiful dresses. So if we were to go into the product page, so this is a WooCommerce based e-commerce website, of course. And let's say if I was to add this beautiful dress here to the cart, and then view cart. We have a cart here, and then the total is £3, and I'm ready to proceed. So let's go ahead with this. And this is our checkout page. So you'll see, if as I scroll down, it says here, sorry, it seems that there are no available payment method for your state. Please contact us if you require any assistance. So I'm going to show you how to install your payment methods. So for this, we go back to our WooCommerce dashboard, and then we go into settings. We go into payments, and from here you have the choice between those four. So you have direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, and PayPal standard. So if we were to click on cash on delivery, in which case this would work, and then if we go here and we refresh now, if we scroll down, you can see we're now presented with one option, one payment option, which is cash on delivery, because that's the only option we have. So if we agree with that, we can just place the order, and then your van would hit the road, go and deliver the stuff, grab the money, and come back to your shop. But now most payments are made online, of course, you know, so you wouldn't want to use this, but rather you'd want to use maybe PayPal. So let's say you have a PayPal account and all that. So all you have to do basically is click on settings, open your PayPal details, and go and put in your email address, or the email address that linked to your PayPal account. So when you created your PayPal account, you used an email address which is linked to your PayPal account. This is the one you want to put there. And when you're done, you click save changes. And if we now go to the checkout again, if we scroll down, you'll see that we now have PayPal available. And when your visitor clicks on proceed to PayPal, they'll be redirected to the PayPal payment platform, obviously, you know. Now, what if you're using a different payment method? Maybe you have a Stripe account, maybe you're with Authorize, maybe Relax, maybe Amazon. So let's go and see here on the WooCommerce extension store. You have Stripe, Amazon, Square, PayPal, Braintree, PayFast, eWay, and there are 6 pages of payment methods, as you can see here. So what if you were to use one of these? How do you install this type of payment method if you use global payments, etc.? So I'm going to show you now how to do this. So let's go ahead with Stripe, which is a very common one, a very popular way of paying. So once you're in here, you go back into plugins and then add new. And from here, you'd go into the search box and you type in WooCommerce and then the name of your payment method. So in our case here, we'll be looking for Stripe, and you look for WooCommerce Stripe. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 different payment methods here, plugins available for this. So how do you decide which one to choose? Well, you can go by active installations, 800,000, but 3 stars. This one, 10,000, 4.5 stars. This one, 30,000 installation, but 5 stars reviews. And you can also look when was it last updated, you know, because you want this to be up to date. And you can simply compare the different plugins by clicking on more details. And you can read all the features and maybe read some reviews as well, you know, just to make sure you're making the right choice. So let's install this one for now. So let's click on this. So it's going to take a few moments. So there you go. And once it's installed, you want to activate it. So click activate now. There you go. Now we can see that Stripe for WooCommerce is part of our plugins. And then if we go back to WooCommerce settings, and now we go back to our payments tab. We now have Stripe as part of our payment methods. As you can see, we now have Stripe, credit cards payment just here. And then a load of others here. You have Ideal, Klarna, Bank Contact, GiroPay, Multibanco, etc., etc. So you can select any of these as well. They're all part of the same plugin basically. But the one we're interested in at the moment is Stripe. So let's click on this. And with Stripe, it's a bit different compared to PayPal. It's not, you don't have your details, credentials are not your email address, but API settings. So you have to enter your keys here. So you have the publishable key and the secret key. So 2 keys. So these are your test credentials. And then you have the live credentials. So in which case, once you decide to go live, you click on this and then you connect. Click to connect to your Stripe account, and it will download the keys automatically for you. But just for the sake of our short tutorial here, I'm just going to enter my own personal test keys here, and I'm going to show you in the front end. And the beauty with the test platform is that you can just type in 4242 all the way. And type any expiry in the future, so month and year, so 2 digits each, so let's say the 1223, and any 3 code digits, so 111, and then you can click place order, and there you go. So the order has been processed, as you can see. So this is our test card from Stripe. So if you go back now into Stripe credit cards, back to the API settings, as you can see, I entered here. These are the test ones, you know. Then if you want to go live, you click live, enter your credentials again, save, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. All done and all sorted. So there you go, guys. That's all for today. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to add payment methods to a WooCommerce installation. You go to the plugin section and search by name, basically. Now, it may happen that your payment method is not listed there, in which case you'd want to contact your payment provider and ask them for help. But in 99% of the cases, this is how you'll be able to install a new payment method. All right, then. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss a single update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.